Okay, so we're gonna start building the Nissan Leaf module battery box. Got the trusty cut-off saw here. I'm gonna take some measurements off the CAD drawing that I did and drill some holes, weld it together, try and keep it flat and square and put it together. Hopefully we can do this in a day. Cool. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is pretty cool. I can work off these drawings that I did. Very cool. So what I've decided to do is cut the parts for one of the sides of the box, and then we'll weld it up and see how it fits, and then I can go ahead and do the other side and see how that goes. Okay, so the first piece is 240 millimeters. That's tiny. Let's go ahead. Nice. Sometimes it's quite difficult to see where to cut with a stupid guard and everything. So let's try this piece of masking tape because of the contrast.
Okay, so that's basically how big it is. Look, it's quite small compared with my shoe.
See, those holes match up pretty well to the holes in the battery module. Yes. So I think my issue is I must draw another pilot hole. It's quite a lightweight little drill press. So let's go to like a 5mm.
So besides my really crappy welding, which I'm obviously going to have to work on, these things turned out quite nicely. You can check the holes, line up pretty damn nicely. So now to make another one of those. So this is pretty exciting, putting these rods in for the first time. Let's see if all the holes line up. I haven't even checked this yet. That's a pretty good sign. It kind of looks like my drawing. Yes. So that's pretty good. If you can push that all the way across. Look at that. That's quite cool, man. Alright, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up, weld it up fully, and then give it a lick of primer. Let's do that. Sweet.
I want to give you an example of my shitty welding, but I'm getting about 1 out of 4 welds. That one's quite nice. That one's a little bit lumpy. And then we get to this turd over here. Whoops. I'm going to use my clean everything up a little bit. I suppose the corded drill is probably a better application for this, but this thing should be able to handle everything, right? Great. What I mean is great. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, this has been a pretty fun project so far. Besides blowing up the DC motor that we had the other day, the Warp 9, I'm going to carry on building the battery boxes for that van, just for the experience and to iron out any problems. So essentially the CAD model tells me that the bus bars between the battery module should be okay. It'll go underneath the brackets that I've made to tie the four boxes that I'm making. So basically 4 boxes for 4 sets of batteries, so that it's easy to carry and maneuver into the vehicle. You don't want to have to use a crane every time you want to get these batteries in and out. Cool.